Product Safety Video AS940 Sherpa 4WD RC Remote Controlled Ride-On Mower Part 2. The operator's manual must be read in its entirety prior to operating your mower. Thus, the information presented in this video is not a replacement for your manual's contents. This safety video will familiarize you with and instruct you in safety practices when using the professional AS940 Sherpa RC mower. The AS940 RC is intended for cutting and mulching grass, undergrowth or weeds in agriculture, forestry and landscape conservation. Woody growth must not be older than 1 year. The device is designed to be used by professional, instructed, and trained operators. Every operator must be thoroughly educated and trained to recognize potential hazards in order to avoid dangerous situations. Always follow OSHA-approved operation. The AS940 Sherpa RC offers a unique special feature. It is the only ride-on mower which can be used in manual, ride-on mode MC, as well as in remote control operation RC. Have your dealer or skilled personnel who were trained by AS Motor show you the safe handling of the device before you work with it for the first time. An employer must instruct each employee in safe operating practices and maintenance of equipment with which they are involved. We strongly recommend that all people involved in mowing, and even those who could come in contact with the mower, view both safety videos intended for this device. Part 1, Product Safety Video AS940 Sherpa 4WD Ride-On Mower for mowing in MC mode, as well as this video, Part 2, Product Safety Video AS940 Sherpa 4WD RC Remote Controlled Mower for using the device in RC mode. The two videos are available on our YouTube channel, AS Motor International, or on our website, www.as-motor.us/product. It is essential that you read and understand all operation and safety manuals provided. For the AS940 Sherpa RC, the operator's manual for the machine, and the operating instructions for the remote control units. For operators who cannot read these manuals, have the instructions explained to you before operating the mower. Familiarize yourself with all the regulations that apply, as well as the various safety signs that appear on the machine and in the operator's manual. Only those who are physically able to operate this mower must do so. Unsuitable for operation of the device are persons who are under the influence of alcohol and drugs, or who have mental impairments. Do not use this device when you are tired or ill. Under no circumstances is it permitted for a child to be in control of this machine. Those in active use of this mower must be constantly attentive to their surroundings. One simple mistake may result in severe injury or even death. As reviewed in the operator's manual, appropriate safety gear and clothing must be worn. Before mowing, always check the mower in case of loose or missing parts, performing all necessary repairs. Protection shields must all be securely fastened, as they are meant to keep you and others safe. They must not be repositioned or removed. Never use a machine without covers, shields, or any other working safety device. They are all installed to prevent the potential for injury due to airborne objects. Pay special attention to blades and their fastening components. Check for wear and damage. Make sure that there is sufficient fuel and that the engine oil level reaches its maximum to avoid possible engine shutoffs, resulting in the risk of uncontrolled rolling of the mower. The area to be mowed has to be searched and inspected before mowing. Remove all objects which could disturb or become dangerous. Be aware of stray tree branches and roots which could hinder safe and effective mowing, Remove debris, rocks, wires, cables, or metal objects. Due to rapid blade rotation, any obstacles remaining in the grass may become airborne and cause serious injury. Mark objects that cannot be removed and avoid them when mowing. Recognize dangerous areas with holes, bumps, drop-offs, or banks, which could tilt the device or make it slide. Make sure that no person is in the mowing area. The AS940RC is not approved for operation on public roads. Dangerous situations can result from uncontrolled steering or operating, especially in the remote control RC mode. Start becoming familiar with the mower in manual MC mode in a wide, open, and flat terrain first. Practice the remote RC mode before working with it. Adapt your speed and go slow at the beginning. Within danger areas of the device, there is a risk of death. The rotating blade can cause injuries, and dislodged objects may become airbound. On slopes, the device can topple over and slide towards you or run you over. Also, when in the RC mode, always keep away from the danger area. Danger area for persons other than the operator. A 165-foot, 50-meter radius around the device and the entire area to be mowed. Danger area for the operator with engine running but unclutched blade. A 16-foot, 5-meter radius around the device. Danger area for the operator with running blade. A 50-foot, 15-meter radius around the device. The area in front of and to the right of the machine is especially dangerous. Additional danger zone at the slope, below and above the device. The recommended position for the operator in RC mode is outside the danger area, behind and to the sides of the device. Make sure that no one is in the area that will be mowed, that you or another person are never positioned in front of the device or in its direction of travel, and that you have a complete overview of the danger area at all times. Check all safety functions of the machine before mowing, as described in the operator's manual. The safety functions consist of the magnetic contact switch of the transmitter holder, the seat contact switch, the emergency stop switch key, the transport position of the mowing deck, the automatic blade switch off, and the parking brake. Check the blades and all fastening elements for wear, damage, and cracks each time before and after you mow. When approaching the device to change the operating mode, always do so coming from the left side of the device and after first switching off the blades. The status indicator lights will flash when the blade is engaged. Hazards when the blade is running. Switch off blades and wait until they come to a complete stop before driving on surfaces other than the mowing area or when crossing roads. Before entering the mowing area, when you cannot completely see the area to be mowed, when the device is stuck or has to be maneuvered out of dangerous areas, or when the area to be mowed is too unsafe. Immediately stop the machine and the blades if someone enters the danger area. Cease operation when vibrations or strange sounds occur or you hit hard objects. Have an authorized service center check or repair the device. Risk of injury when the engine is running. Press the stop switch on the transmitter and then turn off the main switch. Remove the key from the transmitter during transport. When stepping off the device, before inspecting or cleaning the device, and before refueling the device. Risk of uncontrolled rolling. In MC mode, always activate the parking brake after each stop and before switching off the engine. In RC mode, never switch off the engine via the main switch. Danger by an immobilized device. Never drive to a point where an immobilized device can become dangerous for you or others. Never unlock the drive in steep terrain without securing the device to ensure it does not roll away. Driving on slopes. When in ride-on operation mode, do not use the mower on slopes. Change to remote RC mode. Use the device in remote control mode, RC, only on slopes that have an angle of less than 33 degrees. Always attempt to drive and mow in a vertical direction of uphill and downhill to prevent the risk of sliding and tipping. There is a risk of injuring while driving on slopes due to tipping over or sliding. When driving across slopes, the danger of tipping is greatest. Therefore, do not stand directly below the device on slopes when in remote control mode. Stick to the rule. Never drive on a slope that you cannot drive up backwards without sliding. Some slopes are impossible to be mowed even with an RC-controlled mower. Adapt your speed and go slow on a slope. Do not make abrupt changes in direction or speed on a slope and put the foldable bar up. It can prevent the device from rolling if it tips over. To avoid danger of uncontrolled slipping, only park the device on flat surfaces. Proceed with extreme caution when ground is wet or loose. Activate the brake when the mower starts to slide to regain control. Regularly inspect the brake system for proper function as described in the operator's manual. Contact an official AS service dealer for necessary adjustment and repair of the brake. Maintenance. Improper maintenance can result in the device being unsafe for operation and result in accidents. Service the device after and before mowing according to the maintenance plan in your operator's manual. Have an authorized service center perform all other work. Handle fuel carefully and never let the engine run in a closed and unventilated space. Let the device cool down for at least 20 minutes before you store it in a locked room and out of the reach of children. Always remove the key to inhibit others, particularly children, from turning on the mower. Summary. Most importantly, read and understand the safety messages. Become well-trained and practiced before mowing, and always use good common sense to avoid hazards. If you stick to these principal safety rules and make sure your machine receives proper and regular maintenance, your AS Sherpa will provide you with many years of supreme performance. It just takes a bit of time to follow basic safety procedures, safety that lasts into the future. Always begin with safety. Advice: please watch part 1 of the safety video, Product Safety Video AS940 Sherpa 4WD Ride-On Mower for mowing and ride-on MC mode.